Hello and welcome to my channel. Let us solve this set math question. We are given 8 power 2x minus 4 is equal to 16 power x. What is the value of x? Now we know that when the bases are same you can equate the powers, but the problem is the bases are not the same. But on the close inspection we see that we have 8 over here and 16 over here. I can write this 8 as 2 power 3 because 2 cube is 8, and I can write 2x minus 4. And I can write this 16 as 4 power square. 4 square is 16, we all know that. Now, using the law of exponents, this 3 will be multiplied by this 2x minus 4. Because if we have a power m power n is equal to a power mn. So using this, we have 3 multiplied by 2x is 6x, and 3 multiplied by minus 4 is minus 12. And we have 4 power, again using the same law, this is 4 power 2x. But again the bases are not the same, so we need to simplify further. If you look here, we have 4 over here, which is basically equal to 2 square. So I can write this as 2 square into 2x. And again I'm going to write this as it is, and 2 square, I'm going to again multiply this with this using this law. So we have 2 power 4x. Now, if you see the bases are the same, we can equate the power. So we have 6x minus 12 is equal to 4x. Now I am going to shift this 4x over here. We are going to have 6x minus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. 6x minus 4x is 2x. So this is 2x minus 12 is equal to 0, which implies 2x is equal to 12. And to get the value of x, I need to divide both sides by 2. So x is equal to 6. Thank you.